Presenting the Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, bright white clear coat, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EAL on off-road, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS, STD, and manufacturer's statement of origin. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage,